Let's look at this question. In a room, there are 10 chairs numbered from 1 to 10. There are 10 boys. Each boy is allotted a number from 1 to 10, such that no two boys are allotted the same number. So every child has one allotted chair to them. The boys are instructed to sit on the chair that has the same number as has been allotted to them. There was some confusion, and as a result, only 7 boys followed the instruction correctly. In how many different ways this could have happened? Again, this is a standard derangement question. So for 3 boys which are not sitting on the correct seats, they can be selected in 10C 3 ways, and they can derange themselves in 10D 3 ways. 10C 3 is nothing but 10 into 9 into 8 by 6. D3 is 2, so cancel, cancel. Get 2, cancel, cancel. I get 4. So 9 into 4 is 9 into 4 is 36. 36 into 10 is 360. The answer to the question should be 360. But I think I made a mistake. Very big mistake. Oh. Shame on me. So this cancels and this cancels. This will give me 3. This cancels and this cancels. This will give me 3. 8 into 3 into 10. This should be equal to 240, not 360. Answer